Yeah, right?
Those in the tree. Round about body.
No cunt can see you in here, bro. Don't worry about it.
Oh no.
What? What?
Fucking lighter than Aiden's car.
I got one in my pocket, bro. Don't worry about it. Oh, see you later, Keto. Oh, there's a cunt coming. You should have just drifted it anyway. Rivo, that's a Dory. Where is it? Ooh, it looks pink.
Big Dory's is my new thing.
Flame.
Is that on? That's yours.
No, it wasn't on fire. It looked like it. I got some hectic video on my phone, but it ran out of battery.
You were chasing Keto.
Yeah.
That was good.
That wasn't very good, but because I was moving like that. But standing just there, bro, and you just get from there to there, and you can still see the lights through the trees. It looks hectic. Who's this cunt? Do a skid! Do a skid!
You know what's good about under here? You're not getting wet.
Yeah, no, it's primo, eh? Do a skid! Do a skid! Do a skid! Oh yeah.
Fucking love skids. Oh wait, that goes pretty red hot. Whoa,
That's so much better. Tree. That's a Keto. He does Keto skids. Keto!
That's Keto.
Scrubbing, loving, Keto! Yeah, one-handed Ketos! Mike Jones? Keto, where is he? Oh, and he's spun out. He's getting it. Yeah, Obs. Keep it going, buddy. Hugging the roundabout. You.
It's good because he's not giving a fuck.
Obsy.
Oh, that cunt, that's pretty red hot.
Where?
That dude, because he pulled out. Oh no, he let the car out.
Look at this tree. It's beautiful. I'll show you a slug. There's a slug, bro. For the camera. I'll touch it with the camera. Yuck.
Camera goes all sluggish.
Yeah, it's heaps sluggy now. Look at this cunt. Rivo.
Bright light, eh?
Ooh, cunt. Keto, once again. Get your Keto on! Look at that Keto. Raw power of just Keto. Single cam Keto power. Big Ubs one. Ubsy! Too much Ubsy. Slice smoke there, bro. Check that out. Look at that. Keto.
Not giving a fuck.
Should we leg it? So leg it? Leg it? Leg it?
around there.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so get in, hurry up, we've got to do another round there.
We were inside that.
Hurry up, dickhead, get in.